from today is going to change because Aprilia just gave us the world's first production superbike with aerodynamic winglets. Underpinned by the legendary RSV4 architecture, the new machine will be a limited edition affair of just 125 units, and all of them are heading to North America. Called as the Aprilia RSV4 RF Limited Edition, the carbon fiber winglets on this will change the way future superbikes will look like. It was launched at the GP of Americas in Austin, Texas, and will come with a price tag of $24,499, a $1,000 premium over the highly acclaimed Aprilia RSV4 RF. The Aprilia RSV4 has been a well-accomplished name in the circuits of SPK Championship, where the motorcycle has already recorded 7 world titles in a span of 6 years. It is this testimony of the RSV4, which has made it quite unshakable when it comes to consistency in the leader-class supersport segment. To step up their game in the competition, Aprilia will be honoring the new regulations that allow manufacturers to use winglets on their WSPK motorcycle as long as they feature on the homologation special. This led Aprilia to start off with the limited run of the RF models featuring these winglets. After Aprilia, we believe other manufacturers running in the championship will follow suit with adding winglets to their road-legal production models as well. The RSV4 RF bikes will come in limited numbers of 100 units to North America, 25 to Canada, and will be underpinned by the same potent 4-stroke, liquid-cooled, V4, 999.6cc engine with its 65 degrees angle between the banks that made an exceptional chassis architecture to work around with. The special livery seen here is a salute to the first World Championship win in 1987 by Loris Reggiani on his AF1 250 GP, which is also on the current MotoGP RSGP prototypes. You also get the limited edition logo and the unit number laser inscribed on the steering plate. It will become available for $24,499, and deliveries will begin towards the end of May 2018. Thanks for watching.